Hey, what's going on, everybody? Andy here again. Today we're taking a look at the Rogue kilogram competition collars with a retail price of $190. These cost me $222.80 shipped with tax to my door. These are more expensive than other competition collars out there, and there's a lot of clones, but you're paying mainly for the IPF and IWF approval. These collars do have some cool features that others don't that I'll be going into. These weigh 2.5 kilograms each. They're made of billet steel with a hard chrome finish. These look great and feel extremely premium in hand. They come with a 2-year warranty from Rogue, and they are not made in the USA. I have some Titex competition collars that were formerly IPF approved that I will be featuring later in this video. That cost me about $90 a few years back to compare. But just going into these collars right out of the box, the finish on these collars look great. I feel like they're going to hold really well and look great over time. I like that the Rogue collars have a star lock mechanism to get the weights locked down and get it really snug to the bar. These collars also feature a ball handle that makes tightening the collar very easy. It's easy to get to and easy to spin and turn. And here's the orange Titex competition collars for reference. I've had them for a few years and they've held up okay. The Rogue collars protrude out a little bit more because they have the star lock system, but they're almost the same in size. The paint on them, on the Titex, they're flaking pretty heavily and they're coming off just from normal use. Functionality works as intended after all these years. However, with the paint flaking, I probably wouldn't recommend these to you if you care a lot about aesthetics. If I had to pick one for a commercial gym, I'd definitely go with the Rogues, as they're going to hold up a lot better over time. If you bump the Titex collars into anything, they'll take a lot of paint damage for sure. The Rogues just pick up some fingerprints here and there, but you could probably just wipe those off with like a microfiber cloth or something. The handle on the Rogue collars are much better, as it's a ball handle and easier to maneuver than the stick handle on the Titex. And here are both of the collars right next to each other. As you can see, they're almost the same size as each other. The star lock mechanism on the Rogues just protrude out a little bit more, but I think they look really nice. Anyways, that's going to be it for this unboxing and review. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.